Welcome to this demonstration of e-governance solutions based on experience from Estonia, a country widely recognized as one of the world's leading digital societies. This presentation is prepared for you by the members of the Estonian ICT cluster in partnership with the Estonian Ministry of Foreign Affairs. In this presentation, we will be looking at activities involving e-school, enabling the secure and efficient management of education and communication between teachers, students, school administration, and public sector institutions. In this demonstration, we will go through the process of registering a child to go to a school and the administration of that registration by the school official. The first step in getting the registration started is for the school official to start the admission process in the e-school system. Once in the system, the administrator starts the admission process by loading personal data from the citizen registry and addresses from the address registry. Now the admission is open and parents can register their children for school. To get started, the parent uses their unique digital ID number to log into the Citizen Portal, a central gateway to all public sector services. He or she enters their personal ID number and password, and once they click Login using Smart ID, a verification code is sent to their mobile phone, and once they verify their identity using the PIN number, they are logged in. The same login procedure is used to access any public sector service in Estonia. Once logged in, information is automatically received from the population registry, the marriage registry, and the e-school system regarding the family. We can see that Michael Collins is logged in, and he and his wife, Jean Collins, have 2 children. We see an option for one of the children, Timothy Collins, to register for school. To register Timothy for school, Michael can choose their preferred school for the child and confirm the selection, which completes the school registration by the parent. Once we refresh the data in the Citizen Portal, we see the confirmation of the school selection on behalf of Timothy. If we switch hats now and look at the e-school system from the school administrator's point of view, we see that there is a school selection for Timothy Collins in the system, and he is ready to be processed to start school. Once the administrator confirms the admission, Timothy is registered to go to school, and once again, if we look at the refreshed view in the Citizen Portal, we can see that Timothy Collins is now registered in the school. As previously said, in addition to the school registration process, the e-school system is a comprehensive system for managing the school curricula, class scheduling and attendance, student and teacher information, and reporting for public sector institutions, thereby paving a way to a paperless education system. The system also provides an effective environment to connect the school and home communication. The school registration process itself may look straightforward and fast. However, in the background, there is an extensive amount of information being exchanged with other public sector systems. To facilitate the exchange of data quickly and securely between the systems, an interoperability platform is used. In Estonia, the system is called X-Road. The same system is available to all countries around the world as a unified exchange platform. Let's look at the visualization of the data moving between the systems. Once we refresh the data, we see the latest transactions. On the left, we see that information has been exchanged between different services, such as those for people, students, companies, and other services. On the right, we see the different systems exchanging data. Below, we can see a visualization of the different services and systems that are exchanging data, such as the e-school system, the person registry, the land registry, and others. This presentation has been brought to you by the ICT cluster in cooperation with the Estonian Ministry of Foreign Affairs. The e-school solution was developed by e-kool,